Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. In here, I will introduce myself. My name is Jamaliah from the representative of the Sanitation Study Program Diploma 3 Program Environmental Health Poltekkes Kemenkes Banjarmasin. The achievement that I have achieved is a national level third place in the vlog video competition in the context of the INOC activity, the Environmental Health Student Association. Furthermore, the first winner of appropriate technology contest at the 20th Banjarmasin Health Polytechnic Disnatalis. So, in here, I will present an innovative product script that is submitted to participate in the selection of outstanding student from the National Health Minister of Health Polytechnics with the title Multipurpose Water Filter Application for the People Living on the Bank of the Martapura Rivers. The background: most of the people who live in the river use the river water for daily needs. For morning and afternoon shower, they usually go straight down the river. It is on a floating latrine, usually called a road or flash when it is in the river, other than a toilet bed. In effort to improve the quality of water, they conduct processing in simple way, such as precipitation filtering, which seeks to clear the water with along with an erratic dose. So, the processing of result is no maximum and does not meet health requirement. Based on this problem, there needs to be appropriate technology to solve the problem. Many processing alternatives that can be used of them is a filter tool named multipurpose filter. This tool can be made from recycled used materials. Next, the purpose. In the manufacture of this innovative product has the purpose to educate and apply a versatile water filter to community in the river Martapura that need clean water treatment for daily needs. In the manufacture of this innovative product has the benefit to make used material into a versatile water filter product, then gain development of knowledge and insight for the author for water treatment application in real time in the field. Furthermore, the study of the library, the definition of water. Water is all water contained above or below the surface of the soil, including in the sense of surface water, groundwater, rainwater, and seawater that are on land. Then, the standard of quality standard listed in regulation of the Minister of Health number 32 of 2017 about environmental health quality standard and water health requirement for sanitary hygiene purpose. Swimming pool, solus per aqua, and public bath include physical, chemical, and bacteriological requirement. Alternative water treatment of many water treatment can be by improving the design of water treatment units. Then, the utilization of corn kernels in coagulant can also use simple appropriate technology. Furthermore, the filtration capability is determined by the filtration speed, media type, or how it works. Filtration capability can be distinguished into rapid sand filter and slow filter. Active carbon is porous solid made from raw material containing activated carbon with a special process so that it has infected surface and is selective in its use. Filter synthesis filter material used are activated carbon, cotton sand, and fabric layers with pore size 100 until 150 micrometers. Such result can produce effectiveness in water filtration eliminating bacteria. First, the product description. The product specification consists of 20-liter use bucket, 600 milliliters material water bottles, cloth potwork, use bottle caps, 20 grams of activated charcoal, 20 grams of soda ash, 20 grams of PAC. Furthermore, the mechanism of the tool consists of assembling, filling water adding coagulant, and then stirring. Furthermore, the multi-purpose filter product consists of used bucket. Then the used bottle is inserted in the side area of the bucket as a replacement for the pouch, and the coat is placed on the used bucket, precisely on the part of the used bottle that is plugged in the section. So that later the dirty water, when it is entered and carried out in the water treatment process, will be filtered on the cloth that is placed on the used bottle. Then this product will be implemented in community on the bank of the river. Besides, this filter can also be used in area that as dark wall and PDAM. Furthermore, it can be applied to post port area to be used as starter pack or item that must be carried by climbers. All of above implementation aim to option clean water. Next, multi-purpose filter is a tool that can help problem in processing water. Has benefit for the community in the river. This filter equipment is made with simple equipment and material that are easily obtained. The advance to compare other filter product is to have an economical prices. At the time of this experiment, conduct more water than those that already met the requirement in terms of physical and chemical requirement. For bacteriological requirement, must do boiling first before consumption. Next, the following are the results of processing multipurpose filter product. Next, so the conclusion that the multipurpose filter can be used as medium to educate the community riverbank in improving the quality of the river to meet the requirement. Furthermore, this persalted water filter can use alternative material that have the same function. So, from this persalted filter product can be recommended that process result of persalted water filter used for bathing, washing, latrine, house drinking water needs boiling first. Then, if using coagulant ingredients such as soda ash and PVC, need to pay attention to the appropriate dose before going through a multi-purpose filter for maximum result. So, thank you. That's enough. That's the presentation I can convey. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.